How to download games on Steam. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can download games on your Steam. Now before we begin with that, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so we can bring you more tutorial videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Now let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Steam. Make sure you're logged into your account, and after you've done that, you can now start searching for the game that you want. So search for a game, so you can scroll down here on the store section, find the game that you like. You can see there are paid games, there are unpaid games as well. You can see the top sellers and everything. So let's just search for a random game here. So after you open up a game, you can see everything about the game here. What you'll need to do is, there you can see play game and add to library. You can tap on add to library. Now you can also tap on the play game option right here to start playing. So there you can see now, after you tap on play game, it'll now get installed. If you want, you can create a desktop shortcut. You can start a menu shortcut as well and choose a location. Then tap on the install button to install it. Accept the agreement and the game will start downloading. And that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and enjoy your games.